Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Employee Portal module and click on Employee Portal. Go to Process, then to Travel and click on Travel Request. Select Advance if employee wants, otherwise no problem. Select Currency and add Provide Amount of Advance. Select Purpose of Visit, whether it is official or personal. Add Travel from and Travel to and select Traveling Date. Write the remarks why employee want to travel, whether it is official or personal, in the narration box. Navigate to Send for Approval option and select Save and Index. Then select the year. You will see Employee Travel Request and then go to Travel Request, and a travel request is a formal process used by employees to seek approval for business-related travel.